Is AI a friend or enemy to your online hustle? In this video, we'll be talking about the future of making money online and how to survive this current AI revolution. For over 30 years, Google has been running the World Wide Web economy. One of the common and easy ways that most people make money online is to create a niche website or a blog, app, or service, do some search engine optimization, and if you're someone with some SEO knowledge and you put a decent service or information out on your website, search engines, specifically Google, sends you traffic. Both you and Google are happy because you both make money, but that's gonna change forever. Google is changing how we search online. Instead of showing you a list of websites to visit, it's now using AI overview, artificial intelligence, to answer your questions directly. This might be easier, but it's killing the World Wide Web as we know it. I think Google was caught off guard when ChatGPT came on the scene in the late 2022. If it was up to Google, they wouldn't have made the first jump to AI because it disrupts their whole revenue model. But they're catching up to ChatGPT pretty quickly because they don't want to be left behind. Google makes money from ads on websites, and you make money by publishing Google ads on your website. But if people don't visit those websites anymore, you won't make money. Also, the AI needs information to learn, and that information comes from people writing and sharing things online. If people stop sharing, the AI won't be as smart. The change is bad news for people who own websites, because fewer people will visit their websites. It's also somewhat bad news for AI because it might not get the information it needs to give good answers. Google showed off how its AI can help you fix things.
I'm going to take a video and ask Google, why will this not stay in place? And in a near instant, Google gives me an AI overview. I guess some reasons this might be happening and steps I can take to troubleshoot. So looks like first, this is called a toner, very helpful. And it looks like it may be unbalanced, and there's some really helpful steps here. And I love that because I'm new to all this, I can check out this helpful link from Audio Technica to learn even more. So that was pretty quick. Yeah.
The AI knew the name of the part on a broken record player and told the person how to fix it. This is cool, but it's different from how we used to find answers online. We used to read websites or ask questions on online forums and do our own research. We talk to other people to learn new things. Now Google's AI or ChatGPT gives us the answers. This might stop people from sharing their knowledge online, which would be bad for the internet. The internet is full of information because people have been adding to it for many years. If people stop adding to it, the internet and the AI won't be as useful, because we will no longer know even if the AI is given the right or accurate answers. Google says that people will still visit websites because it will also show regular search results. But this might not be enough for people to keep people sharing online. Because if people get direct answers to your questions, there's no point in scrolling down the page and clicking on the search results. But does that all mean you should stop coding or learning to code? Does it discourage you to stop the project you're working on? If it does, you're not alone. But I have got some good news. Coding has never been more important. Nobody knows what happens in the future, but at least for the next 12 months, I can guarantee it's not going anywhere. So don't stop learning to code. Don't stop the project that you're working on. Instead, think about how you can leverage the AI technologies to make your applications even smarter. Challenge yourself to go beyond the basic wrapper application or AI integration. Don't just use a wrapper around an existing AI model. Focus on ideas that won't easily be replaced by AI models and won't be easily copied by others. That's the sweet spot for building innovative and valuable applications in the age of AI. Now is the best time to build your website, app, or whatever you have on mind. Because AI is still being trained on new data every day, and AI may recommend your app or website to users in the future. Don't delay your project. Seize the opportunity before it's too late. Before AI don't even need our data to be trained on anymore. because AI is the last gold rush. AI can do so much and it's changing every day. There are always new ways to make money using AI. Check out the video 8 Best AI Businesses to Start if you haven't already. If you want to keep up with the latest AI news and ideas, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I read through all your comments and I want to know what you think. Share your ideas for videos you'd like to see. Even if you don't have a question or feedback, just typing Coding Money in the comment section helps my channel a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I have more cool videos coming soon, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss them. You may also want to check out the video that pops up on the screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.